everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with baby Evelyn. We are about to unbox one of her Lovevery play kits. This is the Pincer play kit for months 11 through 12. We have been getting the Lovevery play kits for a while now, ever since she was just a newborn baby. Lovevery did reach out to us, asked us if they could send us a play kit, and of course we said yes, but we have paid for every single play kit until this one. So we're gonna just do a quick unboxing, and so you can kind of see Evelyn's first impression of the box. And then also we have a second thing here that they sent us, another just little gift, so we'll get into that a little bit later. What we love so much about the Lovevery play kits is it really does take the thinking out of toys. They send us boxes every couple of months based on her development. So like I said, this is for months 11 through 12. What are you doing? Hold on, let me grab her. I just love that I don't have to stress about what toys to get her for her development, how to keep her entertained. But as you can see, she's already getting into it. So let's look at it. What do we have? What do we have here? Ooh, is that a doll? Right here at the top of the box, they kind of show you what order you might want to give these toys to your baby based on their age. And then it kind of shows you what came before and then what kits are coming after. Right away, let's talk about this. They have these, this is the play guide. They have these in every single one of their play kits, and it really just goes over how to best use each of these items, because they're going to continue to use these things for months and months and months, if not years. And so this just talks about how to use each and every one of the little toys that comes in here, and also gives you ideas for creative ways that you can use them, not just the most straightforward way of using them, but other ideas too. Here we have notes to my child, letters for a future you. You can just write a list or a paragraph for them to just know how they were when they were a bit younger. Book, Evelyn? Is that a little book? You love books, don't you? What is that? Yeah, let's take a look. Look. Oh, look at the little ants and a kitty. Look at that. So we've got two different balls here with two different weights. This one is super heavy, the one that she just threw down, and then this one's super light. So you could give it to them to hold one in each hand, and then they can kind of play around with the different feeling of heavy and light. Can you hold it? Oh, it's so heavy. Is that so heavy? Heck. Oh, that's so heavy. This one that she's holding right here is the Pincer Puzzle. It really helps them with that pincer grasp that they're trying to get down, especially at this age, as they're learning to pick things up between their thumb and their first finger. And she's definitely been practicing that a lot. She pinches me a lot trying to get that down. So I have no doubt that this is really going to give her just some more practice that she really does want. Look, in, out. And some of these toys, they're going to grow into. So Evelyn is just about 10.5 months now. So sometimes, good job. Sometimes she doesn't quite grasp the concept quite yet, but then as the weeks and months go by, she just grows to really love and enjoy the toys even that much more. This one right here is called the wooden peg drop. And it came with these 3 wooden pegs. She can put them in here, practice putting them in and out, and then I believe she'll learn that she can push that in and they'll all drop through, and then she can leave it pushed in and they'll just continually drop through. Or if you press that, pull that out, then they will stay up. I think she'll probably grow into this one to really love it, because she's just now gotten her little drop box where you put the balls in, kind of like this one we'll get to in a minute. She's really loving that sort of thing. She's just now starting to try to put things back in, so she'll probably fumble around with this for a while, but for right now, I'm sure she's going to just love taking them out. Then we have the organic cotton sensory pouch. This is something that they can store little treasures in and practice taking them in and out, so she could use it with her pegs here. And then she can, you know, look inside and learn how to reach in and grab things. And then you can turn it inside out as well. She can reach in and then take this swishy part of the fabric, pull that out, and just practice turning that inside in and inside out. Next we have the organic cotton baby doll, and it comes in 3 different skin tones. She's just gonna love this doll. I think it's nice and soft and cuddly, and she currently loves her stuffed animals so much, so I think she now is the perfect time to start getting her dolls. So it looks like she's already warming up to it quite well. Is that your dolly? Is that your dolly, Evelyn? I think this is her favorite. I don't think there's any question about it. She is obsessed with this doll. And it seems she's gonna take it with her to do any other exploring. Never seen her this excited about anything. She's literally bouncing around. This is called the sliding top box. It's really similar to another one of her toys that she has from Lovevery that she has to drop the ball in and then it'll roll out. But this one has an additional step to it where you have to pull this over to reveal the ball. So when she throws it in, the only way to get it out is to then slide the top over. This is something that is definitely more advanced, and I'm so curious to learn like when and how she's gonna pick up on doing this. It'll be really fun to watch. Push it in. And can you get it? Look, you gotta slide it. Can you slide it? There it is. In the next box, we were gifted the pull pup, which is something, it says 18 plus months, but I think it's something she's really gonna be able to grow into. What is it? Oh, look. It's on wheels and it has a little pull string. Good job. Good job. Yeah, this would definitely make a great gift idea. I think it's something, like I said, she's really gonna grow into, but even now, as you can see, she is enjoying pulling the string and making it come to her. And she's gonna, oh, I love that the ears move too. She's gonna love having her own little puppy that comes when she wants it to, because she loves our dog, but he doesn't always come when she wants him to. I just want to thank Lovevery for these gifts. My daughter Evelyn truly is going to love playing with all of these things, as she has loved all of her play kits over the last nearly 11 months of her life now. And right now, Lovevery is having the biggest sale of the year, which is their Black Friday sale. It has just started. Right now you can get $30 off a new play kit subscription if you use the code PlayKits30. This sale is not going to last long, so you definitely want to take advantage of it if you've been considering signing up for these play kits. It's only going to last until Monday, and I will put all of the details in the description below, as well as links to the play kits and everything we talked about in today's video. I think Lovevery play kits are already very reasonably priced. They come every couple of months for your child, but if you want to save some money and you've been considering signing up, this is the time. Thank you again to Lovevery for sending us this play kit and collaborating with us in today's video. I hope you all enjoy just seeing the little snippets of Evelyn playing with all of her things, and if you're curious about what all comes in the 11 to 12 month Thinker play kit and wondering if your baby will enjoy it or not, I think you'll get a good idea based on the little clips here of how Evelyn reacts to everything. If you're thinking about getting this box in particular, let me know in the comments below, or if you've gotten any of the other Lovevery play kits, let me know that too, because we've gotten all of them from, like I said, newborn till now, and we plan to continue long term. These are things that are going to last through the years, and if you have any other children in the future, you can pass it on to them, and it's something, you know, you only have to buy one time, and then it's going to last for as many children as you have. Thank you all for joining us in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, don't forget to leave a comment so we can chat there, and I will catch you in the next one.